Hi, I'm Justin Noble. I'm the instructor for heating and air conditioning at Great Plains Technology Center. I've been employed here 2 years, and this is my safety training video for my college course. This right here is my safety bulletin board. It has our emergency management plan, has our OSHA poster safety board. Also, we list all jobs that are opening for our students to apply to. So any jobs that's open, they can come up here, look, see what the jobs are, and turn in an application to them. Over here, we have our Play It Safe. It pays to pay attention. This is produced by Uniweld. It's kind of comical and funny, so I kind of like to use a little comedy in the classroom, and it makes the students kind of pay attention. And it talks about that it pays to pay attention. So make sure your area is clean, read and follow instructions, examine equipment on a regular basis, quickly crack and close cylinder valves, just a lot of stuff that involves safety. Over here, we have our material safety data sheets. The students all sign a sheet in there after they read it. We pass the book around in the classroom. All the students familiarize themselves with it. They go through the book. I give them chemicals that they have to look up, and then once they've done that, then I have them sign off saying that they know how to read and look through the book. Over here is our fire drills, tornado drills, and our fire bomb hostage routes. So in case we get a bomb threat at the school, the students know where to go. We practice these, and we practice our fire drills and our tornado drills. Especially in Oklahoma, tornado drills is something that we practice a lot of. One of the key things to this is no running or horseplay in the shop. This is our time for safety rug that as soon as you come out of the classroom and into the shop area, you'll notice that it's time for safety. Right here we have our safety lines that as soon as I cross these safety lines, I have to have on my safety glasses and PPE. Our PPE is protective equipment. Right here we have our first aid kit. This first aid kit has everything in there in case you cut yourself, or any minor emergencies taken care of in this. Right here, we have our lockout tag out center that if needed, anytime you're working on a piece of electrical equipment, you come up, you get a lock, get a tag it out, lock it out, and that way it's safe to work on. Right here also we have a fire blanket that you can use. Over here we have a shop emergency safety switch right here outside the instructor's office. That way anything happens, we can come over, we hit that button, it kills the power to the whole shop. And if you'll come with me over here, this is our metal man. Over here I'm crossing the safety lines, so it's required that I have on my safety glasses. Over here is the troubleshooting area where the students work. While the students are working, I can assist them. If we need to kill power, this button right here, just hit it one time. This kills the power to the shop also. There are about 6 of these emergency safety switches in the shop. So at any point in time, anybody can walk up and slap the button and kill the power. That way no one gets electrocuted, because safety is always number one. This is one of our fire extinguishers. We have fire extinguishers mounted in the shop. They're all marked, identified. It's all red. Anytime you see red, you know that's a fire extinguisher. Our fire extinguishers are signed off on us every month, and they're checked yearly to make sure they're operational. If you'll come over here, we have another emergency switch. Like I said, we have a bunch of emergency switches through the shop because if we need to kill power, we can just hit the button. Over here, we keep all our gas cylinders chained up. Right here we have another MSDS sheet. So there's multiple MSDS sheets throughout the classroom and the shop. Right here we have another fire extinguisher located. Of course, the background is all red, so that way you know it's a fire extinguisher, and from anywhere in the shop you can see up high that it does say fire extinguisher. Right here we have another sign that says notice safety glasses are required in this area. This is where we grind and cut. Over here it says danger, keep hands clear when equipment is running. Now this particular grinder is locked out because it needs repair. Anything that needs repair, we lock it out and tag it out. It's missing some guards. And since this grinder is pretty old, we had to special order them. If you come over here, you'll notice that this piece of equipment is also locked out. This piece of equipment needs a belt. So therefore we locked it out. Right there we have a sign. Like I said, we try to use a little comedy in the HVAC shop. Never shortcut the guards that are there to protect you. At Great Plains we added this safety cage to limit student access to the electrical panels. If you'll come in here with me. If I can get that locked. In here, this whole area in front of the electrical panels has to be maintained 36 inches clearance. Students can only come in here with the instructor only. They're not allowed in here by themselves. It's just an added safety feature that we added. This is our computer room where all our safety tests are taking. They familiarize themselves with the signs right in here. First aid station, do not wash the arc for welding, eye protection. This is where we teach the students what the signs mean, what to watch for, when to have your safety glasses on and when not, and when to use all your other required PPE. Also, we tell them that tools must be in place and shop cleaned after each class. This right here is, we have our lit exit sign. In case of emergencies, we need to leave the area. This is our designated tornado shelter. Again, we have our signage here showing the map on which way to go, and then when you come in this door, you have a designated tornado shelter. Also, the sign here says safety glasses are required, so anybody coming into my shop, they know that safety glasses are required in the shop area. This is our eye wash safety area. In case of an emergency and you need to wash your eyes, flush something out of your eyes, metal shavings, wood shavings, or anything, you come over to here, remove the caps, push the button. This is also inspected once a month. Okay, this right here is our portable toolbox. So when we're working on the house, project house over there by carpentry, we keep all our tools locked in here so it prevents against theft. Also, think safety. We want that to be in the students' minds at all times. Right through here, this is our tool room. Also, if you'll notice, we have our evacuation plans posted. This is also our intruder on campus. If we have an intruder on campus, we come in here and lock the door behind us, take roll, make sure everybody's accounted for. Then we can secure ourselves and the students in here. This is our tool room where the students sit and sign out tools. Right down to soap bubbles to any kind of chemicals, they're all secured in here. Our drills, saws, everything is in here that can be signed out to the students, even our portable torches. We have multiple parts in here for air conditioners. We keep all them secured. Also, if you'll come back over here, you'll notice that we have boxes that we secure flammables and chemicals in, such as acid. We keep this locked at all times. I'm the only one that has a key. And then our flammable liquids. So when the students come in here and they talk to the tool room clerk, he comes and advises me that somebody needs chemicals, and then I'll come in and allow them access to this. One thing I like to change in my classroom is my safety board. As you can see, it's real small, real narrow, and kind of tall, but I'd like to change that and move that over to the side of the classroom and make it wider. That way I can include a lot more safety posters. Our evacuation maps I can put over on one side, and of course we'll have our emergency management book there. But just so we have all the stuff in one location so that all the students can know that that's a one-stop shop and they can go there and get anything that they need. Another area of improvement for our program is I would like to change the training on the students so that they actually can get AED training and CPR. They currently get bloodborne pathogen training, MSDS sheets, and first aid safety training. I would like to increase it and broaden their spectrum so when they leave the program, they have everything that they're going to need to be successful in the field as far as safety training goes. This concludes my safety video for my college class. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got a little introduction into how important we think safety is in the HVAC classroom, the shop, and the tool room. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.